Welcome. If you've ever hidden your Instagram live from certain people and now want to let them back in, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to unhide your live from specific accounts on the Instagram app for PC, following the latest update. Let's get started and make sure your live reaches everyone you want. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the right account. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find the one labeled More and give it a click. A new menu will appear with additional settings. Here, you want to select Settings. This is where you can control your privacy and sharing options. Scroll through the settings until you find the section called Hide Story and Live. Click on this option to manage who can see your stories and live videos. Now, you'll see a list of accounts that you've previously chosen to hide your live and stories from. To unhide your live from someone, simply find their name on the list. Click the toggle or checkbox next to their profile to remove them from the hidden list. Once you've made your changes, your live will be visible to those accounts again. It's that simple. With just a few clicks, you can update your privacy settings and reconnect with the people you want to share your live moments with. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and adjust them whenever you need. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and stay updated for more tips on using Instagram's latest features. See you next time.